There's a little construction on San Francisco right there. That area is being converted to be from Big Hero 6. Do you remember that movie? Yeah. With Baymax? They're gonna change that to be like Baymax Land. They're repainting this bridge right here to be like the San Francisco Bridge. No new attraction, just a re-theming of the area. And then they're gonna have a new meet and greet over there with Baymax. Have you ever been in this animation academy? On the right side here, this animation building? No. There's a couple of different things going on in here. Over on that side, you can go and talk to Crush the Turtle, and there's a person who's like, you know, pretending to be Crush. You can go over there and meet Anna and Elsa characters. You can go to this area down below that we can go and just look at really quick. And then when you exit, you go through the off the page shop, which is just an incredible shop to buy animation or, you know, really cool artwork stuff. Let's go down and check out the Sorcerer workshop. We got just enough time before Guardians. On this side, you can go and draw with an actual Disney animation artist, and they do different characters throughout the day, and you get a piece of paper and you get to do art alongside a Disney animator. Yeah. I just love being surrounded by these screens with really, it does it for me.
Reflect your personality.
Gaston. It's Gaston.
And just to let you know, everything's
And that one's Jafar and Iago. Yeah. Cool. I think, does it want to take your picture?
It is perfect, yes? If
Yes.
not, you may try again.
It's perfect. Save picture.
Wonderful. I will save your portrait for the final chapter. But first, we must learn a little bit about the wonderful personality that is you, sir or madame. When you have a problem, would you rather talk it out with friends or think it through in your head? Do you see yourself as more sensible or more imaginative? Are you ruled more by your passionate heart or your logical head? Do you usually like to plan things out or wait to see what happens? Very good. One more question we must ask.
Eat nice people
Would you
for
rather
lunch.
eat lunch with nice people or eat nice people for lunch? Make no bones about it. You are unique, creative, and devoted to your beliefs. You have an open mind and a boundless imagination that urges you to dream. You are most like Jack Skellington.
Hey, good one.
I do love a happy
Nice. Good one. Jack Skellington, an awesome character. This room will change from like beast to prince, and like the photo up there will lose the scratches, and it'll like go to a normal prince picture, and the whole room, like the lights come back on and stuff, and then it changes. See, there it goes. We get a regular room again, and then a little bit later you'll scratch the painting and the whole room will go dark, like the beast comes out. Should we keep moving?
It's not a secret. We put our name on everything.
Let's go drop in. Time to get crazy with some guardians. I love that area. I've always loved going down there. I remember kids' first visit. It was just perfect. I've spent quite a bit of time just sitting here and zoning out with the 360 visuals too. It's pretty easy to get lost in that stuff. Oh, here's the off the page shop, which is alone worth a walk through. This place is really cool stuff.
Is it me or is that your picture just awesome?
Oh, up here? Yeah. That's the one I would pick. Definitely.
What's going on?
Yeah. Look at this Mando one here too. It's so good. Gonna be watching Mandalorian season finale here tonight. Look at Thaddeus J. Toad, Esquire. I see some pins. Do you guys do pin trading here? Probably not.
Across the street in Glen Hollywood.
Good to know. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This is cute.
There's Miguel. This is frozen here. our big thunder.
Look at this guy's shirt.
I am your grandfather, Bastion. Huh. It must be his grandson's name. That's cool.
That's good.
Do we make our way back down and walk around the side? It'll be a little
Actually,
more.
this is kind of like the ride or less thing.
Yeah, it is. We have a fast pass at Big Thunder pretty soon too. It's blocked right there. You can't get past it.
I'm pray to God. I'm pray to God. I'm pray to God. Oh my God. I'm pray to God. Like, bro, a whole bunch.
There'd be like a nail in my mouth.
Yeah.